Welcome to the Getting Started Guide for Evolve Automated Internal Infrastructure Penetration Testing. Using the Evolve Marketplace side menu, navigate to the Penetration Testing category and select the Internal Infrastructure Penetration Testing solution. By importing this Evolve solution, you will gain immediate access to our specialist security capability to stay on top of your critical cyber risks. Click the Import button to confirm your subscription. Simply work your way through the import screens, which allow you to review the various modules and workflows before importing them into your Evolve account. Whilst your import is running, we will set up our Evolve VPN certificate, VPN gateway, and security zone. Under the Credentials side menu, select the Certificates menu item and then click the New Certificate button. Set the certificate type to be VPN certificate and specify a useful name. When you are ready, click the Next button to review and create your Evolve VPN certificate, which is generated using your own dedicated Evolve certificate authority. You are now ready to orchestrate an Evolve VPN gateway. Under the Security Zone side menu, select the Gateways menu item and then click the New Gateway button. Set the gateway type as VPN and specify a useful name. When you are ready, click the Next button to select your VPN gateway size. In most cases, you can set the gateway size to be micro, unless you expect a lot of network traffic. On the next screen, select your VPN certificate from the drop-down box, which will be used for your VPN authentication and encryption. Enter your own internal IP address ranges as a comma-separated list, which tells Evolve the IP addresses you want to route through your Evolve VPN gateway. Click the Create button and wait for your Evolve VPN gateway to be orchestrated. This should be ready in as little as 3 to 5 minutes and will automatically change the status to available. Using the Security Zone side menu, select the New Security Zone button. Specify a name, such as Automated Internal Penetration Testing Security Zone. Select the size to be extra large, since this security zone will be doing all of the processing. Set the security zone as scalable for optimization, and select the VPN gateway so that all traffic destined for your internal IP address ranges will be routed through your Evolve VPN gateway. Click the Create button and wait for your Evolve security zone to be orchestrated. This should be ready in as little as 3 to 5 minutes and will automatically change the status to available. We now want to install the Evolve VPN client. Select the Gateways side menu and click the Download button alongside your VPN gateway. Copy your Evolve VPN client zip file to an Ubuntu server on your internal network, which should have access to all the systems that you want to undergo penetration testing. From the command line of your Ubuntu server, unzip the Evolve VPN client. Set the execute permissions on the install file, and then run the installer with the -R option. Other options are available if you need to use a proxy server. This will install all dependencies and then automatically connect back to your Evolve VPN gateway using your Evolve certificate. Confirm that the VPN connection is successful by checking the status of the Evolve VPN service. The output of this command should not show any errors. You can also check that you have a TUN interface present, which is your VPN tunnel virtual network interface. Once your automated penetration testing import has completed, you are ready to launch your penetration testing workflow instance. Navigate to the Workflows side menu and select the corresponding Create Instance button. Specify a name and click through to the Parameters page where you can. Schedule your penetration test in your local time. Set the target internal IP addresses to include inactive attacks in a comma-separated format. Use the information icons to get descriptions and examples for each field. Set the target domain names and organization name to use in reconnaissance activities. Specify any IP addresses or domain names to exclude from the penetration test. And a set custom name for your Evolve dashboard. When you are ready, click Next and select your internal penetration testing security zone as the default location where module instances will be launched. Select the Create button to orchestrate and schedule your automated penetration tests. Once available, the Resources tab can be used to view your newly orchestrated Evolve resources, including containers, module instances, workflow instances, agents, charts, and dashboards. After refreshing your browser window, your newly orchestrated Evolve Automated Penetration Testing dashboard will be accessible under the Automation side menu. Your penetration test can take a few hours to a number of days, depending on the reconnaissance information gathered, the number of IP addresses and domain names specified, and the size of your security zone. Your dashboard will present intelligence gathered about your employees, revealing the primary targets for phishing and social engineering attacks, including verified email addresses and risky employees who have previously had their passwords stolen. Your risk profiling will also include dark web, reputation and password searches of over 700 billion compromised accounts, reveal potential threats and risks to your organization. Evolve uses automated exploit reconnaissance and malware intelligence to automatically prioritize your vulnerabilities so you can mitigate real-world risks to your business. Using the contextual information about your targets, Evolve will automatically launch safe exploits to compromise critical vulnerabilities. Domain and IP address reconnaissance reveals your exposed or forgotten systems. Firewall holes demonstrate unnecessary access. Administrative and exposed services reveal brute force risks and leak software versions. To register your Evolve account, or for additional information and support, visit evolve.threatintelligence.com.